Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn about how to unrestrict someone in your Messenger app. For that, open your Messenger app on your device. After opening, go to settings, scroll down and go to privacy and safety. Here you can see restricted account option. Click on it. After that, all the restricted accounts are listed here. Now click on the account that you want to unrestrict. Click on unrestrict. Now the account that you chose is now unrestricted. If you have any queries, drop down a comment on this video section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.